Hey guys, in front of me is INFINIX Hot 50 Pro, and let me show you how to add a fingerprint. First of all, open the settings, then find and select password and security, mark fingerprint and click on set screen lock. At first you need to set some backup to your fingerprint. It can be pattern, so just provide it, just re-enter it just to confirm, and manage your notification content. Once it's done, you can smoothly add your fingerprint. As you can see, the sensor is located on your home screen, so just keep tapping till your fingerprint is fully added. Mark finish. And that's it. From now on, you can unlock your device with this fingerprint only. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.